And here we have the second heat of 200-meter breaststroke for men. Daniel Eliasson from Sweden with a fastest entry time of 2:13.15. And Mika Ounimi with the second fastest time of all in 2:11.17 on lane number 4. And a time of 30.02. We have disqualification and number 32, heat number 1, lane number 6, not simultaneous touch in 100 meters. Event number 32, heat number 1, lane number 6, not simultaneous touch at 100 meters. Now we have David Mason and number 3, 34.01. His last split, a few meters from training to the last 50 meter. Great timing of this turn and quite underwater work on his pull out. Seems like David Eliasson has really found his rhythm here, not leaving any room for Mika Ounimi and Baldas Abanista. What a great swim on lane number 5, Baldas Abanista, coming in on the last few meters with a split time of 34.66. Finish time 2:16.30.